Good evening, YouTube. It's me, Loretta, your favorite retail therapist. I wanted to come and make a very quick video. I have so much going on that I have not made a video in quite some time. I finished my master's program. I think I told you guys that. We graduated. I'm actually just getting back from Chicago. My son got married in September. He and his wife had their first child 2 days ago. Delivered early. She had preeclampsia, but I'm here to report that baby and mom are doing great. He has to stay under a little light for a little while because he's still so young, but to God be the glory, they're all fine. I'm packing for a cruise. I'm going to Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and Grand Turks on tomorrow. So my bag is here. I can't show you my office because it is a disaster. But I went to Walgreens real quick to pick up a few things, and I ran into a gold mine. They had a whole section of items for $1 in makeup. And so I'm figuring, I can play with makeup all while I'm on vacation and leave my good makeup at home. I got 4 mascaras, Almay, for $1. And you know how much mascara costs. And what we've been doing lately is putting a little bit of coconut oil and what was the other ingredient to help our eyelashes grow longer. All of these were $1, and this is actually an eye palette to do your brows. So as you can see, my brows are very thin, so I love to fill my brows in. This beautiful lipstick in this nice metallic color, $1. They also had Queen cover palette for $1. And I was so excited. And they had the darker colors because I know when I get back I'm going to be a little bit darker from sitting on the beach. I also got this Fit Me. The section that I got this from, they more catered to my lighter sisters, and so they had this for $1. And if I go inside in the inner city, I can find pretty dark makeup, a lot of dark makeup, because they cater to my lighter sisters in this area. This was only $1, so I wasn't going to leave it for $1. And I love this brand, this Fit Me. They also had Infallible lip gloss for $1 and some shades of red. Yeah, I'm going to be a different person on a cruise ship when I go away, so I'm going to wear red lips. Also, they had some Rimmel, and I like Rimmel. Again, this is another brow fixer. And I know when my daughter gets here, she's going to want some of my makeup. Another brow fixer. And another nice color lipstick. I think it'll be fun for vacation. I wanted to give these a review. These are at the dollar store all the time. Sassy Chick. This foundation is, I like to wear it to work. I don't like to wear my expensive makeup to work. This is a really nice makeup. It gives you nice coverage. And it's only $1, and you have nothing to lose. Even if you put it under your makeup and just put a little bit of your own on top so that you're not using so much of your good makeup, this is nice foundation. Of course, can never go wrong, the plackers and the dental picks. I wear retainers, and so this is nice when you take the retainers off, just to get inside the middle of your teeth to keep them nice and clean and to keep your breath fresh. So yeah, I just had to share that video. Walgreens, and just giving away all this makeup. And I want to go back and take the whole shelf, but I won't. I'll save some for you all. Have a good night, YouTube. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to click, share, and subscribe.